Weave, Marianne. Weaving, weaving. Woven. Our friendship is woven in stone. R is for rug. That is why today we're going to show you how to make a hula hoop rug of your dreams. Let's get weaving. You'll need some old t-shirts, some stretchy fabric cut into strips, some pom-poms, optional, and finally a hula hoop. Cut your old t-shirt into even strips, snippety snip. Look, loopies. Loop your t-shirt strips onto the hula hoop. We're gonna make like the spokes of a wheel. Do you know what this reminds me of, Marianne? That big wheel at the waterfront. One day I'm gonna go on a romantic date on that big wheel. Here's something we need to remember for the weaving. We need an uneven number. So we're just gonna join these two like this. It's the science of weaving. I'm still working with loops. I'm gonna loop it under our double. Then we're gonna go over, under, over, under, over. Keep going. We're gonna join on another color. I'm gonna thread it in, and I will just keep doing the same thing. Looks like a little scale. Loop it on. Marianne's very good at this kind of thing. Like a little weaver bird, because she makes nests. Once you've got to about 20 centimeters, we're gonna split our spokes. We're going to cut it, we're going to tie it onto the edge. But now that we doubled it, we made an even number because that's maths. We can't have an even number in weaving. So what we're going to do, we're going to join two together to make one. I'm just going to tag this one so that I can always remember. Don't separate it. Let's keep going. This could be a rug, a bath mat. I could even hang this on the wall. Look how this is taking shape, Marianne. Oh, this last enetjie, you just tie it. Let's untie the spokes from the hula hoop. Tie them together like this, double knot. Very nice. Not ready yet. Just tuck in the loosies, like this. For a final flourish, use a glue gun to attach some little mini pom-poms. There's it. Our rug is complete. DIY, because anybody can weave a beautiful magical rug. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, Marianne, when did you last let your heart decide? I can open